Sunday morning.
Do you want me to get
They're
the
just
blue?
over 4 weeks old now. Ava's sitting here in the pen, giving lots of puppy loves and cuddles.
Hey yo. Hey yo, puppies everywhere.
Gorgeous
Puppies everywhere.
babies. Oh.
Yes, I love you.
Is that little Asher? Oh, it's little Asher, isn't it? It's a green colour.
That's a blue.
Oh, that's a blue colour. Oh, yeah, that's right though.
Give
blue.
me my shirt back.
Those are two
dude.
blue collars, the boy and the girl.
Hello, who are you?
One light blue, one dark blue.
Hello.
This one's misty yellow.
This one loves licking my ears.
Does he? And this
Yeah,
is
loves
another
biting
little
my
chubber that
fingers.
loves being out. Little womble, like little bears. Little bears. And the rest are all having a good old feed off Mom, who is not impressed any longer with breastfeeding. She's over it. Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you with my second canvas for a Dutch pour for my son and his partner's new home. They wanted minimalistic and there was the colour brief. So this is take two. I had a right old game with the very first one. I scraped and did again because I didn't feel the paint wouldn't blow around because as you know, if you follow me, I have this difficulty in thinning the paint really right down so it blows. I never thin it enough. So trying again. The other one is nicely drying under the fly net, so I get no flies taking a stroll through it to look at my work. So it's take two and try again. Oh, the one I've got drying is good. I've had the okay, it's all good. So I'm just hoping that my paint's thin enough again to be able to blow it around. This canvas is only just fitting in the frame of my camera. It is 76 by 50 centimetre canvas. So they want to put these two side by side, I believe. So I've got my white ready to go, really thin down. I've thinned it down with Floetrol and water. So I'll see how I go with this one. Oh yeah. So thank you so much, you guys. I'm up on 70,000 subscribers. Absolutely unbelievable. And it's all because of you guys subscribing and watching my videos. And I'm so grateful to you all. And thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Really, truly. Truly, really. I do. So thank you, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you think you're subscribed, check again, because I've had quite a few people saying, oh, they thought they were subscribed, but they found that they weren't. So I don't know what happens in those situation. So this is the same colours as I used on the other one because they want to put them side by side. Do just a bit more. I know that these particular style, you have to use very little paint, so that's probably what I have trouble with because I'm used to pouring so much paint on my canvases. The style that I do and love, which is my swipe and kiss. I obviously do try all the styles for you guys, so I don't stick to just one thing ever. I do keep experimenting. So these were the colour brief. It was navy, well that's metallic black, that it's very kind of grey looking. There's metallic black, navy, copper, and this is a bright yellow. So wish me luck, wish me luck. Just hoping that I get it. Alright, so I'm using the big hair dryer. Where did I put that now? I've changed things around, and when you change things around, you can't find your stuff. Oh my goodness, I cannot find my... I'm going crackers. I've got a new, just another box, storage box, and it was in my storage box, so I've got my dryer ready. I've got to put some more paint on, haven't I? Some white to make sure it flows nicely. Oops. Let's try this again. I'm just going to take it nice and slow. Move my doggy bed out the way. And hope this works. So wish me luck. Got the dryer on cold. Minimalistic. I've got to use restraint and walk away. I wanted to add that dash of yellow because I know that the other one has a nice good dash of yellow. So I'm just going to spend some time and blow some of the edges so they're nice and soft. Make myself dizzy. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm not going to go any further with it. I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want to overdo it. I'll send a photo to my son's partner, Elle, and see if she likes this. It looks very coral looking. I think that's sort of going to match the other one, I believe, pretty good. So, I mean, they're not going to be the same. They never are the same. But I think that's about all I really want to do with that. I'm just going to I'm going to just use the, the Wonder Wand, the just to dry, burst the air bubbles in the paint. Now there's no silicone in these. They were all the Mont paints mixed with. No, they were mixed with my glue, PVA glue and water. The recipe in the drop down box. It was only the white that I mixed with Floetrol and water. So that's where I'm getting this lacing, like the coral effect is from the Floetrol. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's filled the brief. It's minimalistic and the colours are in there as requested. I think that one was a little bit better than the ones that I've tried to do recently. So I obviously need to keep practicing even more this technique, and that's fine, you know. We've all got the things that we're better at than other things. So lots of people say they can't do my balloon kisses like how I do them, but they do other styles, you know. Excellent. So I'm going to leave it at that. I will put photos on at the end and a little bit of puppy cam, because the puppies are 4 weeks and 3 days now, so they're getting up and about and very interesting and very cute. So okie doke, I will put the photo on of the finished dry product, and when they're both finished dried, and I'll just finish them off with a coat, a wipe over of sealer varnish, and that will be me done. And hopefully Elle will send me a photo of them hung when we take them down to the Gold Coast. So they live on the Gold Coast in Queensland. So bye for now. Thanks so much, you people. Yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and wait till the end for the photos. Thank you, bye.